Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily recover your permanently locked Snapchat account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your browser or your Google. Now once you open any browser, all you want to do is to just search for snapchat.com/support. So just search for snapchat.com/support, and now once you search for it, it's gonna take you to this place. So all you want to do is to scroll to where you can see contact us. Click on that. Now once you click on contact us, you can see what can we help you with. So just click on the first option which says I think my account was compromised. Just click on that, and once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this place. So just scroll, and once you scroll you can see your username. So enter your Snapchat username, and you can enter the email address over here, and also your phone number including the country code. So include your country code and then the number over here. Now you can see description. You can describe why your account was locked, or why do you want to unlock your account. This is very simple, so you can enter anything, and once you are done, just click on submit, and by doing this your account will be recovered after 24 hours. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new